So what we'll do is we'll just do the first cleanup kubectl get all, kubectl delete. So if I delete the deployment, both the deployments, it will permanently delete the pods. Okay. So remember, if we delete the pod, it won't delete the deployment. But if we delete the deployment, the pods will automatically get deleted. So it doesn't have the auto healing feature for deployment. It is only for pod. So
Delete the deployment, not delete the pod.
yeah, delete the deployment, not the pod. Yes. Now kubectl delete the one of the pod which I created that we already deleted, and now I'm deleting all the services which I created, because for explanation it will become difficult. Okay, so if you see, we are back to normal, the as a fresh cluster kubectl get all. Now what I'll do is I'll create a deployment, and in that I'm defining two replicas. And remember, we are ignoring this one, but this is the replica set. This replica set is responsible for creating the replicas. In deployment, we define number of replicas, but this is one of the controller. At the back end, the replica controller manages the replication. That's why here replica set will be, it will be showing. So it is still creating it. Let's wait for it.
So this place replica set means you have to assume that number of pod.
Yes. So it will always be the same, the number of pods and the number of replica set. So it's taking some time.
So while giving the deployments, so pushing image from that Docker hub.
Yes, it is pulling, not pushing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we have it now. Now we have the two replicas. Now the command is scale command. I was using the wrong command. Just use kubectl scale, but this is the manual method of scaling. So we have two replicas. Now if you want to scale up to 3, I'll just add kubectl scale the deployment. The name of the deployment is nginx deployment, and the
Mm.
replica should be 3. So it will start creating one more pod. Okay, so it started creating one more pod, and if I do it 1, it will scale down. So let the third one get created. The third one is created. I'll make it 1 now. Kubectl get all. This is, we did scale up
Mm.
and scale down manually.
Okay.
Now let's try something more interesting. Let's try to make it 0. Replica is equal to 0. So if you see, it is even terminating the last pod, but the deployment is there. Okay, deployment is there. It is checking the desired value and the actual value. It has deleted only the pods. Okay, now if I add replicas as 1, it will again create one more pod. So this was all about the scale up and scale down.
Uh, Priya, the scale down, right?
Mm-hmm.
That one you have your given value is 1. So it's
Yes.
terminated recent
No, no, no,
which one
no.
created
I
is.
made it 0. That's why you saw it. Earlier I made it 0.
No, no, no. Go little bit go up. I'll
Okay,
tell
what
you.
we'll do is we'll do it again.
Mm, yeah.
So as of now we have one replica. I'll make it 2. Kubectl get all. So it started creating one more. So again I'll make it 1 after some time. So it should have 2 replicas, and now if I'll make it 1 again, so if you see, it will start deleting 1 and it will have only 1.
The deleting one is there, right? That one is old one or new one? Question.
That
See
is
here.
yeah.
Yeah, I got confusion for. See here.
So F
Yeah,
FF,
CM.
yeah,
Yeah. That CM and J5 2 is there, right?
yeah.
So first created that CM. Second
Mm-hmm.
only created J5. So now you are
Yes.
terminating, right? So it
So
will
we cannot select what we need to terminate. Okay, it will decide on its own. And remember, both the pods are having the same data, so it
same. Yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
affect. So it doesn't affect us which one it is deleting.
Okay, okay.
If they are different, then just create different deployments. Don't create under separate single deployment.
Okay, okay.